let's play some basketball.
Lemonade. Come get your refreshments.
Guys, how do you think these cups are made?
These cups are made here at C.W. Thomas using a process called thermoforming.
Thermoforming is when a big plastic sheet gets heated until it's soft. Then it's pulled over a mold using a vacuum. When it cools, it becomes a strong-shaped product like cups, trays, or other plastic items. It's quick and precise.
Could you walk us through the thermoforming process of your products?
So it starts off with just a sheet of plastic material. We stick that into our machine that has a set of clamps that'll hold that material in place. Once that sheet of plastic is nice and hot, it comes back out. We have a metal mold as well as a pressure box on top. Those two parts will come together, and that heated sheet of plastic is able to stretch and it'll form to that mold that we have. And that pressure forming is what creates our part.
Making products with thermoforming is about science, innovation, and teamwork.
Over the years, how has technology changed the way you work?
So, one of the ways it's changed, when I first started here, and we actually had a hand-made or man-made machine, where now you have these new machines and you put it all in, and the machine pretty much does everything for you.
How do you ensure quality control in your products?
We submit parts into our quality department. We measure the parts to specifications of the print, and once everything's verified, then we are good to go.
Next time you're thirsty, remember, there's a lot of cool work behind that cup. Maybe you can make something amazing someday.
I should start making cups like you. With the right skills and process, I could be a manufacturing hero too.
Heat, form,
Trim, stack, ship, cup. Wait, these cups don't just appear, right?
nope, thermoforming.
So not magic.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.